Are you feeling like you're not relevant anymore? When I was looking at new job postings, see, I've been out of corporate America for the last 8 years or so. And the last time I did an interview as far as myself looking for a job was in 2007. So a lot's changed since then, I've noticed. So I've been doing some research online, trying to find modern ways or modern things to beef up my skills, or just to make sure that I'm still relevant today. Anybody else out there feel that way? As you take a look at things, there's a lot of certifications and different things that people want you to have or expect you to have, either coming out of college or already have on your resume. I graduated like in 2000, college. And back then, the biggest things were Monster.com and CareerBuilder.com. Nowadays, most people's resumes are created with AI, as most of you probably know. So I've had to kind of go back and take a look at, okay, what skills do I need to have to even make myself marketable today? Anyway, have you experienced that? I'm out walking the dog today. Hey, Bella, say hi to everybody. Well, she's busy. Anyway, pretty day today. But if you can comment, just let me know. Are you finding the same things out there? Yeah, you kind of feel like you're on the AI bullet train. It's going really fast, right? You're standing there waiting for the train, hoping to get on it, but it's already passed you by. I'm going to be looking into maybe doing some trainings. I'm not an expert in any way, but maybe some trainings on some things that I've learned that you might be able to pick up on. Maybe it'll help some of you